Hello everybody, I am here in Dumaguete on the island of Negros Oriental, and I am at the boulevard, which is along the seafront, and it's like a walking street kind of thing with lots of food stalls and things like that. Anyway, I have been out of touch for a long time, and finally I thought it's about time I get back in touch. I came to the Philippines, a little less than a month ago, and for the first little while it was really rough. I was very discouraged, but I finally got myself an apartment here and settled down. At least I'm settling down. I'm not all settled, but anyway. But the first coming over was not all smooth. I went to the airport in Los Angeles to get on the flight, and the Singapore Airlines people told me I had the wrong kind of COVID test, and I wouldn't be able to get on the plane. And then later on they told me I could get on the plane, but I probably wouldn't get into the country. So all the way here I was worried about what was going to happen after I got here. As it turned out, I had no problem getting into the Philippines. Then I went to stay with my brother and his girlfriend. And they have a little house in the province of Cebu on the I guess it's the northwest side of the island, and it's a little crowded little place, and I was there for a while. I think there were about 7 people living and sleeping in this one little room. I finally decided I was going to come to Dumaguete because I'd heard from different vloggers that it was a good place for Westerners to come, because it's a kind of a intermediate kind of place, so a place where you can transition from Western culture to the Philippines. So I came here and I met a friend who met me at the airport, helped me get set up at the apartment. Well, anyway, the lease at the apartment is good for 6 months, and I hope I will be able to in that time get my head together and decide what I'm going to do. In about a month, I think I'm going to go to Thailand. I need to go and close my bank account there and take out the money, because right now I don't have access to it, and it's just sitting there, and I don't want Thailand to take it away from me. So anyway, that's what's going on with me. This is the boulevard. We have lots of trees and boats and things, and lots of tents and things where they're selling food. And after I'm done here, I'm going to get some food because I am hungry. I ate a little bit for breakfast, but then I didn't eat anything after that. So anyway, it's good to be here. It was touch and go for a while. I was very concerned. I was very depressed for a few days, but I worked myself through that. One of the things that really helped me was on my Grab app. I figured out how I could load money from the credit union in the US onto the Grab wallet, and then use that to buy food, or to buy transportation, or to pay bills. So that simplified my life a lot. Hope everybody's doing okay, and I hope to be able to do some videos, but I'm not as motivated here as I was in Thailand. I was really excited about vlogging and showing everybody everything I was doing, but here, not so much. So anyway, take care everybody, and I'll check in again soon.